good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is when purpose meets alignment, radiance finds resonance. Ladies and gentlemen, in the silent corridors of the universe, something extraordinary happens when purpose meets alignment. A spark turns into flame, a thought becomes movement, and life begins to flow with grace. This is the moment when radiance finds resonance, when divine energy does not merely help but harmonizes, amplifies, and accelerates. The cosmos leans in, not in myth but in motion, not in fantasy but in flow. Purpose is not a goal or a checklist. It is the deepest intention of the soul, a quiet knowing of why one exists. It is not about doing more, but about becoming more. In a world spinning fast with deadlines and demands, purpose serves as the axis that holds a person steady. It whispers through intuition, calls through longing, and settles into clarity only when one pauses long enough to listen. Yet, purpose alone is not power. It is potential. What transforms potential into progress is alignment, a dynamic state where awareness, intention, thought, emotion, and action fall into inner coherence. Alignment is not perfection, it is presence. It emerges through awareness, an inner clarity shaped by wisdom, righteousness, compassion, and courage. When these attributes guide one's decisions and actions, alignment becomes not just a state of mind, but a state of being. The Bhagavad Gita offers a profound reflection of this truth. Arjuna stood in the battlefield with an objective, but his heart was clouded, his mind torn, and his purpose blurred. It was Lord Krishna who helped him reconnect to a higher calling, re-establishing objective clarity and alignment. And from that flowed unstoppable strength. The Gita declares, wherever there is Krishna and Arjuna, there lies victory, virtue, glory, and righteous conduct. History too reflects this principle. In great leaders, inventors, artists, and movements, when their inner purpose aligned with the universal rhythm, the energy that flowed defied limits. Effort felt light. Progress felt guided. Their radiance, rooted in resonance, became contagious. What's the way forward? In the distractions of modern life, the invitation is to realign, not just to be productive, but to be purposeful, to pause, reflect, reconnect. Purpose is not found in noise, but in stillness. Alignment does not require control, but awareness. And when both meet, the individual no longer pushes life forward. Life begins to pull them forward. What was always meant. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, so when purpose is clear and alignment is true, divine energy doesn't just assist, it collaborates. Radiance emerges not from effort alone, but from resonance with the greater flow. This is not myth, this is mastery. And as the Gita reminds, when the seeker and the sacred walk as one, what follows is not merely success, it is grace. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.